Tsunoda and it looks like— Oh, shit! It looks like we're sponsoring a
Raid Shadow Legends.
taboo of workplace relationships, and I need to know if you'll be available to speak to the new hires at this meeting.
Really? You seriously want me to talk about that?
Well, yeah, because—
That motherfucker on swole, gotta go.
Here. I like that in a man.
Is this nigga getting serious?
I'm not only a bigger girl, I'm a bigger man, Speed.
Wanna bang in the utility closet instead?
I'm gay! I'm gay!
I like that in a man.
Is this nigga serious?
Now, if you want me to because I will never lie to you.